Hello everyone. Here in this video we'll be doing some exercise questions. Now first question, that is, let's do exercise 13.2, that is, write the IUPAC names of the following. Now let's check first number A. CH3, CH2, double bond C, CH3 twice. Now this can be written as CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3 twice, means we have here CH3 carbon should be tetravalent, therefore 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is, the tetravalency is complete, therefore CH3 whole twice. Now this molecule, now if we giving the names 1, 2, 3 and 4, now our substituent should also get the lowest numbering, as well as the carbon to carbon double bond should also get the lowest numbering. Keeping in mind with the lowest numbering and selecting the longest carbon chain, the IUPAC name of this would be our substituent. This group is attached in the second carbon atom, therefore the name would be 2-methyl. 2-methyl. 4 carbon atom is known as butane. 4 carbon C4 is known as butane. Therefore we have a double bond here, therefore it will be E and E, butene. Therefore this will be but, and then our double bond is in carbon number 2, therefore this will be but2-ene. Now the second example, here we have a triple bond and then a double bond. Now the triple bond and a double bond we have here. Now the suffix, the last one, the double bond character will be given, the double bond will be given the first numbering preference over the triple bond. Therefore our numbering will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore the name here will be 5 carbon atom is known as bent. Our double bond is in carbon number 1, therefore 1-ene, and then our triple bond is in carbon number 3, therefore 3-YNE. That would be the name. Now our third example, this is the third example. Now this can be written as CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. We have a double bond, single bond, double bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So therefore this is the molecule. You can start numbering either from this side or this side is the same. So let's start 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon atoms is known as butane. Therefore this is carbon, and the double bond is in carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. Therefore the name would be 1,3-butadiene, or you can give the name as but1,3. There are 2 double bonds, therefore this would be named as diene. Now example number 4, this is our example number. This is a benzene ring, a phenyl group. Now we have to choose the longest carbon chain. Now therefore 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atoms, and then this is our benzene ring. Now this phenyl group, is attached to carbon number 4, and then our double bond is in carbon number 1, therefore this would be 4-phenyl but 1-ene. Now the fifth example. Now if we close this, we know this molecule is known as phenol. This is known as phenol, and a substituent, a methyl substituent is present here. Therefore numbering will start from this group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the numbering is here. Our methyl group is attached in carbon number 2, therefore the substituent will get numbering 2-methyl, and then this is our phenol. That's the IUPAC name. And then now the sixth example. Now this can be written as, begin with CH3, CH2 4 times, therefore CH2 4 times, and then we have here our CH, and then here again we have CH2. Let's CH2 3 times, therefore CH2, and then our CH3. Now this is CH2, CH, and then our CH3 2 times, therefore it would be attached to the carbon, should be tetravalent, so therefore it will be, let's attach the carbon here, CH3 and then CH3. Therefore this is the way in which we write the 6. This is the structure for this example number F. Now example number F, now here we have, this is one group. Now we are selecting the longest carbon chain, so selecting the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we start from 5 here, this will be our substituent, because now if we start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon, this carbon gets numbering number 6. But if we start from here, it get the numbering number 5 on the substituent. Therefore we will start numbering from this side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 carbon atoms. Now this will be considered as a different substituent group. Now therefore this is, now if we consider this here, carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Now this is mid-8 propane, therefore, and in carbon number 2 we have a methyl group attached. This is CH3, a methyl group attached, therefore this will be 2 methyl propyl. Therefore the name here would be, that's, now this substituent, the whole group is substituent, is attached to this carbon number 5, therefore it would be 5. And then if we name this different group, this the different group here, this would be 2 methyl, because this methyl group is attached to carbon number 2, 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, therefore it is 2 methyl propyl. The name 2 methyl propyl, it would be under bracket 2 methyl propyl, and then the parent name 10 carbon atoms is known as decane. Therefore that would be the IUPAC name. Select the longest carbon chain, and then now while selecting this would be a different groups. Now we have here a branching, therefore a different substituent group. Now if we name here carbon number 1, 2 and 3, this methyl group becomes a substituent, therefore it is attached to carbon number 2 of this group, therefore it would be 2 methyl, this is a methyl group, therefore it is attached to carbon number 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3 propyl, 10 carbon atoms, therefore it's known as decane. 5, 2 methyl propyl decane. That's the name. Now the last example is, this is our molecule in this way. Now naming here, we'll be starting from this carbon. If we start from here, 1, 2, 3, we have a double bond on the second carbon atom here, and then a double bond on the first carbon atom. Therefore we'll be starting numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here also 10, we have 10 carbon atoms, and a substituent group is attached to the fourth carbon atom. This is a 2 carbon atom, is known as ethyl group, therefore this would be 4 ethyl, 10 carbon atom is known as decane. Deca, how many double bond we have? 1, 2 and 3 double bonds, therefore it is attached to carbon number 1, 3 and carbon number 8, therefore it will be 1, 3, 8 tri-ene. Tri means 3 triple bond, tri-ene, it is, and the triple bond are present in carbon number 1, 3 and 8. Therefore these are the examples that is given in your text. Exercise 13.2 for the writing the IUPAC names of the following molecules.